Did you know that a whopping 84% of consumers don't trust traditional ads? Pretty wild, right? So, what's the deal with AI influencers? Are they the answer to our ad trust issues, or are they just making things more confusing? Today, we're diving into AI influencers, those digital personas making waves on social media. Brands are excited about them because they promise perfect messaging without the unpredictability of human influencers. But here's the catch. Can a bot really connect with people the same way a real person does? Are AI influencers just a fad, or are they here to stay? Let's dig in. AI influencers are built with cutting-edge tech. Think advanced algorithms, machine learning, and even deepfake tech. They can adapt to trends, interact with followers, and create content on the fly. Sounds impressive, right? But here's the hitch. While they can promote products smoothly, they don't have real-life experiences or emotions. This begs the question, can they earn our trust? After all, trust is crucial in marketing. If people feel they're being sold to by a robot, could that backfire? Let's spotlight Lil Miquela, a leading AI influencer with millions of followers. She's a virtual model and musician who's been featured in various brand campaigns. Some fans adore her unique style and the creativity behind her, but others feel she lacks genuine human connection. This debate highlights the core issue. Can we genuinely connect with a digital creation, or is this just a sophisticated marketing trick? To wrap it up, AI influencers bring a fresh, personalized approach to advertising, but they also raise important questions about authenticity and trust. The future of advertising is evolving, and AI influencers are at the forefront. Whether they'll be a game changer or just another gimmick remains to be seen. What do you think about AI influencers? Are they revolutionizing the ad world or undermining authenticity? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this, don't miss our next video on the future of digital marketing. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.